Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1966 Dodge Coronet 500. Great car, guys. Beautifully done. A little bit of a hot rod with plenty of horsepower. A lot of fun to drive. Unfortunately, you can see it's a wet, nasty mess out here, so we're not going to be able to take it down the road. So 3 in a row where we've had some hot rods that we can't go down. You can't light the tires up for you. But beautiful car. So there's a history behind this car. I actually originally sold this car to a guy, Scott, out of Minnesota, in 2000. I think it was 2018. Originally, I had taken this car in on trade from a guy, I think it was out of Pennsylvania. But the history behind this car is only showing 19,000 miles, okay? Supposedly, this car sat most of its life in a museum. Then somebody took it, they did all this to it, like say hot rodded a little bit, super cool car. But it was done in 2007. But nobody's put very many miles on this car. Very nicely done. Factory red on red car that's got a pearl white top, slick paint, very nice chrome and stainless, and a wicked cool little car. Look how nice, when I say that chrome and stainless is, a couple little marks in the trim there. I'm sorry, in the paint there, sorry. But look how nice this was all redone. This is really cool. This is all painted on and clear coated over. Very tastefully done, guys. Same thing with this. Look how cool that is. Chrome and stainless, very nice. Stock bumperettes. Pretty car. Really nice. It's I think it's PP1, which is a factory bright red, slick paint. And again, it's got the pearl white top. Glass is nice. All the glass is original except for this front windshield. I think everything on the car works. Fit and finish is excellent. Good, solid, straight body. Yeah, this thing is pretty. Great sound. It's a professionally built engine. I think Muscle Up Motors or something like that built the engine. It's 411 cubic inches. If I remember right, it's got that Edelbrock, it's got the complete Edelbrock Performer kit on it. I think that's 410, 420 horsepower right out of the box. Sorry, it's just a fingerprint. But again, look how nice this stuff is. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got a real nice set of 15-inch chrome American Racing torque thrust. That's a pretty car right there. Hits the road great. Again, look how nice those are. This is a pretty car. This is painted on as well. Even the Chrysler emblem there in the bottom, that's painted on. Slick car. Again, so this starts off as a 400 block. I think it's 30 over is what it is, which I think is 411 cubic inch. And it's got the complete Edelbrock, the Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock RPM Performer intake, aluminum heads, Edelbrock camshaft, which if you look it up, I think it's like 410, 420 horse right out of the box. Aluminum water pump. It's got all the March aluminum pulleys and brackets on it. MSD, ready to run ignition. Hedman ceramic headers. You can see it's got the Mopar Performance air cleaner and valve covers. Power steering. It's got front disc brakes with the slotted and drilled rotors. It's got a professionally built 727 Torqueflite automatic trans with a 2500 stall. Be Cool radiator. There's your original fender tag. Original Certi-cards in the car. This is a great car. Great sound. This thing hits. And I'll tell you, like I said, the car is done in 07. Paint's just as slick as can be. Now, again, car people have owned this car. I mean, this thing doesn't have a pimple on it. I mean, this car has always been well maintained. Definitely the original A-pillar chrome. You can see just a little bit of age showing. Chrome mirrors, same thing. I'd say that's original, pretty doggone nice. These look original, which is why I kind of have some faith in the miles. Original door handles. You can see the door skins are nice and clean. I love the red on red. Coronet 500, so it's bucket seats console. It's got that sports steering wheel. Interior's really nice. Headliner's nice. Again, that sports steering wheel's in great shape. Factory dash. Hopefully you can see that, 19,297. There's not many miles on this car since it's been restored. Sun Pro tach and gauges. Factory AM radio works. Blower motor works. Has a H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It is a 8 3/4, and I think it's a 355 sure grip. Just a quality build right here. If you're looking for a nice Mopar, I think you'll have a blast with this thing. I didn't even look in here. There's must be some original parts or something. Yeah, that must be some original pieces that they had. They finished all this. Of course, that's not stock. Somebody's done that, which is really nice driving down the road because it's quiet. It quiets it down. Car cover comes with it. Everything opens and closes real nice. Scott, the guy I sold this to, he kept this car very, very nice. Matter of fact, I bought a 55 Chevy from him as well. Both killer cars. Car's clean underneath. Looks like it's got all the original pans still in it. Sorry, guys. Yeah, it's just a good-looking car. It's just a little dust. I had a 67 Satellite, one of my favorite cars I've ever owned, had this same interior in it, so I am very partial to it. I love it. But the seats are plush, very nice. You can tell the gauges, all that stuff's original. I think the only thing I don't think in the dash works the temperature gauge. I think they're running that down there. Little pit there on the center console. This would have been black, so they painted that red. Yeah, that's pretty dang nice. Pretty car. Glass is nice, and again, it's a factory glass. Little cam in it. Get a load out there. That's a nice Mopar right there. Tach works, fuel gauge works. I think the alternator gauge up there works, and then you can see the car's holding good old pressure down there. Temp gauge works down here. That's not hooked up in the dash. That's only down on the floor. Doors open and close, nice. Brake lights. Backup lights. Give it a little rev, Gary. Great sound. Blower motor works.
Rate hikes may actually
Factory AM radio works. Again, all the gauges function down there. Wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Have a great day, guys.